Tell everybody about Chewable Structures.
Yeah, I started Chewable Structures last year because basically I wanted an excuse to play with my food. I was a civil engineer years ago, and I created the channel because I also am a multimedia journalist, and I wanted to build structures from around the world. So I built the Eiffel Tower using fresh blueberries, and I also combined that with some of my footage going to Eiffel Tower a couple of years ago.
Why don't you tell everybody how you do these things?
I pretty much imagine what structures I would want to make around the world, and then I figure out what to build, what materials, and some of my favorite ingredients are fruits and vegetables, and then for kind of the sweet kick, I do cake and throw those in.
And who gets to eat this?
Mostly me and my friends. If you're in town, I'm going to invite you over to have a huge eating party of all my structures.
How long does it take you to make one of these structures?
Anywhere from 10 minutes to 2 hours. So for my Family Guy house that I made out of caramel popcorn, it took me a couple hours. I made it out of a Kleenex box, and then I stuffed all the popcorn inside. But it really depends on how big I want to make it.
And what's been your most popular chewable structure yet?
I think my watermelon fruit train. I think people are obsessed with fruit just like me. And it's really simple to make because you just need a cookie cutter.